We are here on our way to Zoe's Resort near Bulusan. This is our third activity dito sa Sorsogon. So we are very excited to see yung tatlong falls within Zoe's Resort. So ito na nga yung property ng Zoe's Resort. So from the main road, medyo malayo siya, pero nothing to worry about kasi maganda na yung area. And narating na namin ang Zoe's Resort. Dito yung kanilang main reception where you can see the rates and of course their business hours. Then they will give you one guide to assist you doon sa mga attractions nila. So habang naglalakad ka, ito yung makikita mo sa Zoe's Resort yung kanilang mga hugot notes at nakakatuwa silang basahin while walking. Dito sa Zoe's Resort meron silang swimming pool and of course yung kanilang restaurant. So currently ang available to see dito sa mga falls is ang Kambal Busay and Hidden Falls, kasi yung Hulugan Falls is not accessible for tourists, under construction. So medyo ingat-ingat lang pag papunta ng Kambal Busay at saka Hidden Falls, kasi as you can see yung kanilang stairs it's very steep. At kung may kasamang elders or seniors, make sure na lalay lang and you have to assist them. So mahirap din paakyat tsaka pababa. So pagbaba nyo dun sa last few steps, ito ang bubungad sa inyo, ang Kambal Busay. So maganda siya dito pa lang. Amazing at nakaka-excite na maligo. Make sure pag nandito kayo sa Zoe's Resort, make sure you bring extra clothes kasi you'll be tempted to take a dip. So during the time medyo konti lang tao kaya nakaka-excite dahil hindi ka na masikip. So kailangan din namin ng photo ops sa ganitong magandang nature na backdrop. So ito na nga yung way namin papuntang Hidden Falls. So medyo konting ingat lang pag papunta kayo ng Hidden Falls and make sure na you wear proper footwear. Pero dito sa amin nagsinelas lang kami and of course proper shoes din, pero just make sure na you wear proper footwear kasi medyo slippery and of course para safety na rin. So narating na namin yung Hidden Falls, itong maliit na sa likod. It's a beautiful place, quiet, and siyempre maganda yung view niya, lalo na pag gusto mo ng solemnity. So balik kami ulit sa Busay, Kambal Busay, at siyempre may siya talagang gustong maligo and excited siya doon sa splash ng waterfall kasi it's her first time. So pag nandito kayo, make sure you visit Zoe's Resort to see Kambal Busay, Hidden Falls, and Hulugan Falls. So it's very exciting. Kung gusto nyo mag-relax, this is the best place. Hope you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye for now.